Alright, so I know this is going to be a poor video, but for those of you dealing with like a buzzing noise that comes at certain vibrations with the compressor here in a Midea U-shaped 8K BTU unit, I think I may have found a where that buzzing is coming from. It's hard to really locate it on these machines because you literally have to tear the thing apart. To get to one piece you have to take apart 3 other pieces, and that's where it is. But anyway, I had to take the circuit board apart, and I don't know if this looks like some type of coil. I'm not going to do a whole lot of touching here. I'm touching the heatsink right now, but there's a coil right back here that I had to take this cover off, what have you. It actually takes a while to get to, but you can see in Midea's quality control, what they literally did was this thing is attached to this metal piece by 2 screws, and it's resting, the 2 tabs of that coil are resting in this bracket right here. And if you can't really tell, but these things are metal tabs, and they're just literally resting in there, and they move. Can't really tell on camera, maybe. But anyway, I'm going to fill these up with hot glue and see if that resolves my buzzing issue, and if it does, I'll post a video. If not, you guys will never see this.